Guys, andito kami sa Port Barton, photo op. Ang aking mag-photo op. Pero ang aking model na layo na kayo. Where are you going?
Very awesome.
Nako, umandar na yung sasakyan namin, guys. Malakay namin, guys. Muna yung mga outfit, guys. Yun na mga burdakol. Ako sa likod lang ako. My God!
The next day.
Where are you going? You're riding a car? Go, Ben, go!
Many hours later.
Gipalawa siya sa Marang, guys. Ganihara na sa dito sa tabing dagat. Nana po diri.
Gisundan pa nila.
Morning guys, we are here at Port Barton, Palawan. So we do our morning walk right bang. This is our morning walk and look at the sun.
I'm the one who figured it out.
Yes, it's not so white, but so fine. So here our morning walk with our Burfit. Oh, a morning dog. And she likes dog. Yes. I like the sun. It's so fine.
Where? How can you see it?
You got what?
Look at this bad boy.
Oh, what is the open already open?
I know, but I like to collect them.
Ah, then okay. Ah, your mom is here. Mom is here.
Hi, I'm checking the water for us.
Oh, Madam is here. Oh, ubaga lagi.
How was it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it safe?
One more. I already found the seashell.
Oh, come on, let's go. Breakfast is gonna be in soon. Come on.
A few moments later.
First stop, sexy na Madam.
Hello, look at the school of fish.
Where? Wow! Kaya pala si Kuya Gaw nauna dyan. Marami pala dyan, ha? Ito yung first stop. Ha? Ah! Ganda ng fish!
Oh my god. Look at these guys.
Wow! Wow! Eee, do you like it? You excited? Let's go. There's a lot of fish.
Put on my mask then.
God. First stop na yung fish. So the first stop, Twin Reef daw to, Madam?
Yes.
My God. Twin Reef. Oh. Okay.
I'll pick myself up when I
Portal spot, big. Third destination. Oh, jump! You will jump?
No, I'm not joking. Scared I might step on it, turtle.
Okay.
It's deep. You're not gonna step on the turtle.
So very awesome. Did you get
Huh? Basig matugaw ang turtle blahaw. Cottage.
Oh, it's so fluffy. It's a fluffy guy. Hey guys.
So guys, andito kami sa Port Barton, sa island ng Port Barton. So, picture kami rito. Ha? Lagi, pang 3 destination. Yan. So, kami, photo op. Ang aking, mag photo op. Pero ang aking model na layo na kayo. Ano ka model guys? Dili naman niya to. Hinahinay siyang kaanot. Sexy ka model guys. Oh. Nami puto up karon. So, diba hinta diri wala ka model guys. Kinahindi sa ganot. So magputo up na tatara. Kadiha kab yun. Ana. Tapos nabali ang sanga.
Bali man sanga.
Kab yun tapos ang tail. Pinana ang tail. Kanang kab yun. So, sa boating guys, yung mga driver na sila na mag-prepare ng food, tawagin ka na lang nila para kumain na. So, yung amin, pakita ko sa inyo. Okay, post muna. Post muna tayo kasi may nag-picture-picture. Ano ko model guys? Ang model is gikan po to up guys. Mahal siya ang talent fee. So while waiting sa aming food day, dito kami nag-picture. Oh! Beng! Come here! This is watermelon! Beng! This is watermelon, you see? This is the watermelon. They grown up here. Oh, ang dalo og tubig. Kapoy ako model guys. Gwapo kayo sa og kanang waiter.
Magsige na lang tag-island happy dad para magsige inom og tubig.
Okay, wala may lain. Ay.
Oh God, can
They asked if I like cats. I said I did, but my mom or my dad doesn't like them, but me and my brother do.
Which one?
Which one is?
Mom, what are you?
Next destination. Okay na kami dito guys. Paraiso.
Bye, Ban!
Oh, si Bye. So, after the... Saan ngayon, madam? Ito, natawag na Paradise Island.
Paradise Island.
Kuya, bakit nga ito Paradise, kuya?
Island na.
Ha?
Ha?
So, trip lang.
Basta paradise na yun. Bakit po ba?
Bang! Paradise.
Lagi yung takutin nyo.
So, guys.
Ha? Nabayawa. Tinatawag nila naman. Ay, mabuti. Ano yung bayawa?
Mag-snorkeling na naman sila doon.
Pero katulad nun si ate ba? Tama, dito talaga magpandak ka.
Bangke, bumigay 1.